Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I do my individual lashes at home, and this is the stuff you will need. I got this gosh, it's so light. This seal, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. This seal thing, Sexy Sheep Bond and Seal. So it's a 2-in-1, and it came with tweezers. And I got this individual lashes separate. Okay, so yeah, this is how I'm going to show you guys how I do my lashes. Alright, so the only downside about these lashes is that they don't have numbers. I don't know which ones are bigger, which ones are smaller, but I have a feeling the top are the bigger ones and this going down is to the smallest. Okay, so I'm gonna start. Yes, I'm going to start with the top ones for the inner sides and then move down to the outer sides. Okay, so I have this thing that I bought previously. I bought this at China Mall. It's like a eyelash cleaning thing. I'm just gonna try and wash my eyelashes with it. It's practically like water. I don't know if it helps. So we're gonna start with the bond side. It's like this. It's black. So I think you're supposed to put it on your eyelash. Like coat your eyelashes. Okay. Okay, so I've tried this before and it didn't last the first time I was trying it. So when I read on TikTok, someone was like, you need to also coat the eyelash after picking it up. You need to like coat it as well. So this time I'm going to try that. So I'm going to also put the bond on the eyelash like this. Okay, let's see if that will help with retention. So don't be scared to open your eyes. You kind of have to, and try and paste that at a comfortable place. Okay, first one in. We are going somewhere. so now we're gonna do the other eye quickly. I'm gonna speed this one up. Alright, so what you're seeing here is that my glue it clumped up the seal when I was putting it on. So try not to make it like be neat as possible. So be as neat as possible, because what will happen is that your glue is gonna look unneat and then your lash is going to look like it's more hairs than the other side, which is not necessarily true. It's just that my glue lumped up and that's what you're seeing there. But yeah, I followed the same pattern. It's just that this one might look like it's fuller, but it's not. It's the glue. The way I applied the glue initially made it clumpy, okay? So now I'm going to seal. I want to seal this. I'm going to use the seal. I don't know if you use it only under or even on top. I don't know. But I'm just going to do it under. But yeah, let's do that. Let's seal it. So the sealing is white or clear. Okay, I said I'm gonna do the bottom only, but I'm actually doing the top as well. This is the final look of my individual lashes at home. It's not perfect. I mean, yeah, it's like my 5th time or so doing it ever, so I can only get better from here. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.